In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make a Kahoot game for your students. Now, the first thing you need to do is from your home menu, click on create at the bottom, and then choose blank canvas if you didn't subscribe to any of the plans. So then you put the name of the game. Let's say the name of the game is true or false, whatever. True or false questions. Let's say I want to make my own game. Just put the title of the game. Let me just call it fun then. Then you can also add your description here, add intro video. You can see it, language and everything. So the next thing, start the theme. Choose a theme, let's say winter. Save it. And then privacy, let's say public, since I want to make it a game for them. Let me just use a cover picture. Let's see if I can find a good cover image. They love art so much. Okay, let's choose this one, for example. Click on save. You can also use your own pictures if you have. Then let's go to questions. So add question. Now the first question can be a quiz in the game. First one can be a true or false question. Next one could be a puzzle. It could be a type answer. So let's see true or false question. So you are a human, for example. True or false? We all know the answer should be true, so you turn it on here to show the answer is true. So you can put the next question, could be a quiz. It could be, is the sky, or you can say, how many colors does a rainbow have? How many colors has a rainbow? As many colors has a rainbow. So you can add the answer. You can say 6. You can say 7. This is the correct answer, so turn it on. You can say 8, for example. You can say 5 if you like. And we're done with that question. The next one could be puzzle. Now, unfortunately, I don't have access to puzzle since I've not subscribed, but you can also choose puzzle here. And then it's a premium feature, so you have to upgrade to at least a bronze to access it. So you put in the puzzle, so I can't actually use this, unfortunately. So you put in a puzzle. Even if I do fill this up, I can't choose it, so there's no need of that. So it was you can choose different ones. I told you puzzle, we have type answer, where you ask them a question, they have to type the answer. We have the slider, we have the quiz plus audio, maybe you play a song and that's to identify the answer. Pin answer. We also have this is for making opinions. Want to create a pool, word cloud, open-ended questions, brainstorm, drop pin, scale, and this is a slide to present your answer. So once you're through with all the questions, cancel. Want to save it, so you go back, you click on this arrow up here, and you click on save at the top. And questions are not complete because of that last question, so let me get rid of it. Click on delete to get rid of it, and then you click on save. And that's it. You've created a game for your students. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.